Introducing Flamo. You define your look. Inside you get a leaflet which tells them about the company, and it's also, this is about the return policy, which is 60 days return and exchanges. And you also get 365-day warranty covering any possible defect in the materials and workmanship. It says please submit a refund and exchange request in your account centre. So if you ever need to do that, you've got the support there. But as you see, it comes in a nice quality hard case, which you don't normally get. A nice sleeve, Flamo there, Firmo on there, which you can also use to wipe the glasses as well. So that's pretty unique as well. These are a little bit green, if you can see that. They're like kind of 50p shape, so they're pretty interesting. These ones here, they will they've got a certain tint on them as well, so when you get a bit of sunlight, they brighten up and block the sun a bit, so that's pretty interesting. But as you see, they are now currently clear. They feel really quality as well. And also, if you've got your own prescription as well, you can literally just go on the website, which is below, and you can fill out the form. They also have a unique live chat as well, which we did try out actually to see how well the chat works, and they actually helped a lot with how to fill it out, and they also give you feedback as well, like what would suit your prescription as well, like i.e. like the lens layers and stuff like that really, and obviously the frame as well. So if you needed a bit of help, then they're there to help and support you as well. They're reasonable priced as well, and they come directly to your door. It's very convenient. Check out the link below, and if you'd like even more information on this glass company, they also do sunglasses as well. So if you just want just sunglasses, they can do that as well for you. And also decent prices on prescription glasses as well. So remember to check them out, check their page, it'll be the link below. And remember to like and subscribe, and if there's any other information you would like feedback or anything like that, we can also let you know. Thank you.